Welcome to Enovin Foods. I'm Nahida. Today we are making crispy, juicy, and homemade chicken nuggets, a snack loved by all, from lunchboxes to party plates. Let's make it fresh, flavorful, and fun. Start with 250 grams of chicken breast pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of Tandoori Masala, half teaspoon each of Garam Masala, Cumin Powder, Red Chilli Powder, and Coriander Powder, along with half teaspoon of salt. Next add 1 teaspoon of green chilli, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, and 2 pieces of bread slices. Mix everything well. Use boneless chicken breast for a smooth even texture. And finally add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Did you know the original chicken nugget was invented in the 1950s by a food scientist named Robert Baker? Now pour all of it into a blender. Add bread slices for binding and softness. No need for extra flour. And blend into a smooth nugget mixture. Transfer to a bowl. Grease your hands with a little oil. Take small portion and shape them into nuggets. You can even shape them like hearts or stars to make them more fun for little ones. Now beat 1 egg in a separate bowl. Nuggets became globally popular because they cook quickly and are easy to eat, perfect for kids and adults alike. Dip each nugget into the egg, then coat well with breadcrumbs. Keep the mixture cold before shaping. It helps hold the form better. Place all the coated nuggets in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to set. Now heat some oil on medium heat. Fry the nuggets until they turn golden brown and crispy. Always fry on medium heat to cook the nuggets from inside without burning the outside. These homemade nuggets are protein rich and free from any artificial fillers. You can air fry or bake them for a healthier twist. Serve hot with your favorite dip and enjoy restaurant-style nuggets at home. And that's how easy it is to make chicken nuggets at home. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enovin Foods for more fun snacks and homemade fast food favorites. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and bring the restaurant to your own kitchen.